I'm here at Centennial Plaza at Fifth Avenue North and Bell Street, and behind me is the Edmonds holiday tree. Now, this tree was a very difficult tree for me to identify, so I want to give a shout out to Deborah with the City of Edmonds Parks and Recreation Department for confirming that this tree is a Serbian spruce. A Serbian spruce is a narrow pyramidal conifer with graceful weeping form. Its needles are dark green on the top and have a silvery blue underside, giving it a distinctive two-tone appearance. Mature trees grow 50 to 60 feet tall with a 15 to 20-foot wide spread, featuring dark brown scaly bark and graceful arching branches that often have upturned tips and pendulous branchettes. Like fir trees, spruce tree needles grow individually from tree branches. But unlike fir trees, spruce trees have a tiny bump between the branch and the needle called the sterigmata. That's where the needle actually grows from. The horse chestnut is a deciduous tree that typically grows 50 to 80 feet tall with a rounded crown. In late summer, its bright green, spiky fruits turn brown and fall, each containing a single shiny reddish brown seed that resembles a common chestnut. Originally planted as an ornamental tree in gardens and parks, horse chestnut has spread into forests where it can compete with native plants and alter natural habitats. Its fruits are toxic to people and are often dispersed by squirrels and other wildlife into green spaces. Horse chestnut is listed as a weed of concern in King County, meaning removal is not required but recommended, and new plantings are discouraged to protect native ecosystems. I'm at Second Avenue and Edmonds Street, where this beautiful deodar cedar has been thoughtfully trimmed to allow for the power lines while maintaining its beautiful shape. We want to ensure our beautiful and majestic trees are well cared for and highly recommend seeking services from a certified arborist before any major tree pruning is initiated. I'm at Sunset Avenue, close to Bell Street. Behind me are 15 shore pines that abut the railroad tracks at Brackett's Landing. Shore pine is a native evergreen conifer of the Pacific Northwest, valued for its resilience in coastal environments. This hardy tree typically grows 20 to 50 feet tall and features short, stiff yellow-green needles in bundles of two. Shore pines have small, prickly cones, twisted grayish-brown scaly bark, which gives it a rugged character, and tiny, sticky buds. Shore pines are especially tolerant of salt spray, wind, and poor soils, which make them common along coastlines and exposed sites. Many specimens develop striking wind-swept forms over time, contributing both ecological and aesthetic value. Like other native conifers, shore pines provide important habitat for wildlife, help stabilize the soils, and support the coastal ecosystem. Just north of the shore pine stands a hooker's willow, also known as a dune or coastal willow. There are four native Pacific Northwest willows. They are Sitka, Schooler, Pacific, and Hookers. The Hooker's willow is notable for its ability to grow in sandy coastal habitats like beaches and marshes. It typically grows 5 to 25 feet tall and thrives in moist, sandy, or periodically flooded soils. Its thick, leathery oval leaves are dark, glossy green on the top and woolly or hairy underneath. Hooker's willows are used in erosion control and wildlife habitat restoration. I'm on Sunset Avenue between Bell Street and Edmond Street, and behind me is a very large monkey puzzle tree. Now, the monkey puzzle tree is an ancient living fossil that dates back to the time of dinosaurs. It's extremely hard to climb. Spiky branches are likely to have deterred dinosaurs from eating them. The monkey puzzle tree is the national tree of Chile. It's a unusual coniferous tree native to South America that can grow over 100 feet tall. It produces large edible seeds called piñones, which are an important food source for native peoples and animals. The monkey puzzle tree is endangered in its native habitat due to deforestation, habitat fragmentation, overgrazing, and seed collection. It is now used as an ornamental tree in landscapes where there are large enough spaces for it. I have found many monkey puzzle trees in Edmonds from small to large. See if you can spot a few. It is believed that many of the large monkey puzzle trees in the Seattle area have been planted from saplings given away at the 1962 World's Fair. I'm at 3rd Avenue and Casper, a very busy corner. And look behind me. Here's a giant sequoia. Giant sequoias are the largest trees on Earth. They are native to the groves on the western slope of the Sierra Nevada mountain range of California, but have been introduced, planted, and grown around the world. The giant sequoia and coast redwood are in the same genus Sequoia. How do you tell the difference? Well, first, the giant sequoia is largest in volume, the thickest. Coast redwoods are the tallest in the world. Giant sequoias have reddish brown, coarse, and fibrous bark. The coast redwood has darker, dull chocolate brown with a fibrous and rope like texture. The cones of the giant sequoia are large, egg sized, and woody. The coast redwood have small pine cones the size of an olive. The giant sequoia needles are denser and more compact. The coast redwood is arranged in two ranked pairs, giving them a flat, feather like appearance. The native habitat for a giant sequoia is the Sierra Nevada mountains, and the coast redwoods are found in the coastal fog belt of Northern California and Southern Oregon. Here in Edmonds, there are giant sequoias found in most of our neighborhoods. Giant sequoias can reach 250 to 300 feet in height, with trunk diameters 20 to 25 feet. Thank you for joining me on Edmonds Notable Trees Downtown Tree Walk. As you leave, I hope you'll carry these key takeaways with you. Protect and appreciate our trees. They are vital to the health, beauty, and our well being of our community. Plant native species whenever possible. Native trees sustain our unique temperate rainforest ecosystem and the wildlife that depends on it. Remove invasive plants. Species like ivy, holly, and laurel threaten our park forest by crowding out our native growth. Together, we can ensure Edmonds trees continue to thrive for generations to come.